the finishing touches, what is it? What do we call it? The jewelry for the kitchen. We're doing the handles, and we're installing the pull-out pantry, and that's it. It's mostly handles, but it's proving to be mostly pantry now for me, because I've been fighting with this thing for the past couple of hours now. Instructions are not the way I would instruct. The way I would do it is always better.
He's always right, you know?
See, like, it's telling me how to adjust the top of this pantry in a sentence. Who talks like this? Should use more sentences, always. With the pantry standing up, attach the top glide stop to the top of the floating back plate using the 8x1 screws in pre-drilled locations. Okay, but then where do I put the actual rail? It doesn't say anything about it's the railing is in the drawing, but it doesn't tell me where to put it. Okay, and then you go like this. Hey, it works. Hey, thank you, River Shelf.
We left access, I don't know what she's gonna use, but here, because the machines come here.
This is exactly what we can do.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
Well, only that you have a wall here, right? Your wall is here, and me inside, I'm gonna have this so you can move the clothes out of the way and have the shelves.
Well, no, because
The clothes are like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
That was kind of a fun project. The client wanted a more mid-century modern look, like a simple, clean line on all the cabinetry, functionality everywhere, wonderful hardware that we integrated and installed on the panels, sorry. Oh, I have to take this.
Spacers right now, like 2-tiered spacers. And what I'm trying to do now, I don't want to, because I need 1.5 inches on either side of this. Because right now when it opens, it will wiggle. So I want to stop that wiggle. And I have 1.75 inches on either side, too much space. And if I insert this on one side and another set on the other side, I can put 2 felt guide bumpers, let's say, not 2, 4 of them, because I'm gonna put in the back and in the front. But I don't wanna see this in the front when you open the door. So what I'm gonna try to do is make it look like this, so that it looks like a intentional reveal. Let's see if I can. So something like this. I think it's prettier than this, right? Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
So this versus this. I'm just doing it because I found a way to do it, so it's cool. It's like it has remote. What do you like this? Or like this?